Namaste, myself Dr. Shilpa, currently working as medical officer and dietitian at Kshemavana. Fasting during Dasara is a way to purify body and mind and also strengthens the spiritual connection to the divine. Gradual reintroduction of food gives digestive system time to adjust, avoid discomfort, ensures proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Introducing raw banana flour upma is highly beneficial because it provides gentle, nutritious transition while keeping the digestive system comfortable. Raw banana flour is a grain-free, gluten-free replacement for regular flour, which is rich in essential nutrition. It has various benefits. Resistant starch present in raw banana flour acts like a fiber, feeding the healthy bacteria in the gut, which helps to improve overall gut functioning. Thank you. For more such information, follow our Instagram page.